Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another exciting video session. This is Andrew again from Advanced PCs. All right, so in this video, I want to show you guys pretty much how to get started with upgrading your memory. You know, the amount of memory on your computer. One of the things that we do for our clients is we do what's called system optimization, and we run various utilities, cleaning out the registry, getting rid of junk files, lots of different things. But after a while of doing all those things, the computer can still be running slow. So sometimes just upgrading the physical memory can actually solve that problem, right? So what you want to do is the first place you want to start is finding out, seeing exactly like how much memory you have installed on the computer. So what you want to do here for Windows 10 users, you want to right click here on the start menu, start button, and you want to go to system. Okay, if you're running Windows 7, then what you want to do is you want to just click here on the start button. In the menu you should see computer in there somewhere, right? And then you would just want to right click on computer, go to properties. That's a shortcut way to get to it. Another way in which you can get to that to the same info here is by just going to the control panels, security and settings. I'm sorry, system and security, and then system. Okay, it'll all three ways I just told you. The one I showed you here, Windows 7, or just going to the control panel will take you exactly to this window. Okay, so what I want to bring your attention to here is the amount of RAM, the amount of memory you have installed. In my case, it's 8 gigs. For you, it could be something else. What I've seen a lot in most cases is probably like 4 gigs or 6 gigs or something like that, right? So what you essentially want to do is I'll show you a trick where you want to get started. So this is the first place you start with, right? And then you go to a website. Some of you might have heard of this website before, others may not. You go to a website called Crucial. Crucial is a memory website. It gives information about the type of memory that your particular computer uses. That'll, once you get that information, then you're armed with information, and then you could use it to get the appropriate RAM for your computer, right? So once you're here on Crucial's website, www.crucial.com, you want to select the manufacturer, right? So in most cases, you probably have like a Dell or HP, right? If the typical user, they're going to say, hey, yeah, I have a Dell, but I have no idea what model it is, all right? So it's going to ask you, once you put the manufacturer in, it's going to ask you for the model, and then it's going to ask you to drill down a little bit more. You're not going to have this information in most cases. So here's another trick. You go to just do a search for system information. Okay. All right. So what this window does is it provides you with pretty much all the information that you need about your computer and then some. Okay, so here gives you the system name, and then it gives you the make, and check this out, the model number. So I have a Dell Inspiron 560S. Okay, so with that information, you want to go back to Crucial's website, and then you want to drill down. So I have a Dell. Did I select the right one? Yes, Dell. Okay. And it's going to be Inspiron, and I actually have an Inspiron desktop. And then the next one is going to be Inspiron 560S. Okay. Okay. All right. So once you have that info, you click on upgrade or find upgrade. And then boom, here you go. So it gives you all the information. First, you want to start here where it pretty much says, the maximum amount of memory. So for me, I'm actually maxed out because it says here the maximum amount of memory is 8 gigs, right? So if you remember, here, we found out that I have 8 gigs of RAM installed. So I have 8 gigs. For you, it could be something different. You know, it could very well be 8 gigs for the maximum amount for yourself, or it could be 10, 12, 16, whatever, but you only have like 16 installed. I'm sorry, like 6 gigs installed or 4 gig installed or something like that. And then from there, what you want to do is come over to here where it gives you the form factor of the type of memory that your particular computer uses. So in this case, mine is a DDR3 1600 UDIMM. Okay, so you know, this is information that you can have here, that you can take to the store. Now, if you want, it's completely up to you. You can purchase it here directly from Crucial's website, or what I usually do when I'm working with my clients, I just print out this information and I'll take it to either the local, the local electronics store. That could be a Best Buy, Office Depot. If you're in Northern Virginia like myself, it could be Micro Center, and you just take this information over there and you pick up the appropriate RAM for your computer, and that's it. Now, if you're comfortable doing it yourself, opening up the desktop or even the laptop, flipping the laptop over, and doing the exchange yourself, you can very well do so. If not, then you can, you want to reach out to like your local technician, right? It could be a local tech company, and ask them to pretty much assist you with that, but that's pretty much how you would get started with that. Let me just close out of these windows right here. But that's pretty much how you would get to that information. You get started there. If you need some assistance with the steps to walk you through the process and actually getting that upgrade done, you could just shoot me an email as usual, andrew@advancedpcs.com. That's pretty much it for this video. Just wanted to give you some information as to where you can get started to actually do the upgrade for the physical RAM of your computer after running all the utilities and it's still slow. Okay, please like, share, anyone that you know that can actually benefit from this information. If you could just do us that favor and share it with anyone that could actually use this info. Also subscribe to our channel, and that pretty much wraps it up for this video. If you have any questions, again, like I said, send us an email. And again, this is Andrew from Advanced PCs, and at Advanced PCs, we keep it simple. Thanks.